So in this video, we're going to talk about how to audit your Google Analytics access. Who has or who is the owner of your Google Analytics account? Is it you? Is it your agency? Is it some other third party? And also, who else has access to your Google Analytics data? Often you'll find, especially if you're working with a consultant or an agency, they'll open up an account and then start gathering your information in their account. And that means if you ever part ways with them, they're going to have your data and you're going to may potentially have a fight to get that data back from them. So here's how you do this. It's a simple audit. It's not hard to figure out. So I'm in Google Analytics right now. I am in my account, which is called SEO Excuses. And then my property is also called SEO Excuses, except with a lowercase e for excuses. So it's named, the account and the property are named the same. That's important and we'll understand in a few seconds. So we're going to go down to this admin gear on the lower left-hand side. We're going to click on it. And you're going to need two sets of settings, account settings and property settings. So property settings are just that. They're who can access this property. What we want is we want account settings. So when we click on account settings, we should see account access management. We'll also see it here on the right-hand side. You may see it here on the right-hand side, depending on what the default is. So if we click on account access management, we can see what email address has account level access, which basically what account owns this analytics account. And it's mine, it's my own, and nobody else has any kind of account level access, which is good, which is exactly the way I want it to be. Now, as far as property goes, we can come down and look at the property access management here on the left-hand side, and we can see who has access to this property. Again, it's just me, who is also the administrator, so that's good as well. But typically what you'll find, a lot of times agencies will open up an account or place a client's analytics under their own account. You don't want that. You want it in your account, and then you grant them access to your account. You'll also find that companies typically have employees that come and go, agencies or consultants that come and go. And when you go into property access management, you'll find everybody for the past 5 or 6 years still has access to your account, and that's no good either. So you'll definitely want to do an audit of this at least once a year to make sure that you know who has access to your account. Only people you want to have access to your data have access to your data.